Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone out there for supporting the channel. If you guys have any great video ideas, any content you want seen posted on the channel, please let me know. Always looking for new stock trading strategies, stock positions, new stocks to detail on the channel. So again, please let me know if you guys have any great ideas for upcoming videos. For today's video, I thought I'd focus on stocks that have upcoming dividend increases on their next dividend payment. This was actually a video suggested by a viewer on their channel. You can utilize these stocks in a dividend capture swing trade type of strategy. You can also buy these stocks for a longer term dividend growth type of strategy. I definitely employ this in the stock portfolio here on Robinhood as well as my E-Trade account. Very good way of getting into stock positions that you know will grow over time, adjusting for inflation, that will give you very good dividend increases down the road as well. These stocks today, one is a Dividend Aristocrat, 25 plus years of increasing dividends every single year, as well as a couple Dividend Champions. Both have 16 years of increasing dividends over that time span. So very good stocks, long track records of increasing dividends over time. And like I said, a very good stock strategy and a buy and hold type of investment strategy. But again, all of these stocks will have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. So you can utilize these in a dividend capture swing trade type of strategy as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the stocks. The first one is up on screen. As you can see, LMT, Lockheed Martin. If we go to the bottom here, this is a this is an industrial stock, aerospace and defense. Very, very good stock. One of the leaders in this particular market segment. As you can see there, it has a number of different environments in which it operates, both consumer as well as military. A lot of different environments in which this company operates. Take a look at its dividends here. You can see I've had this in the portfolio for quite some time. $2 for quite some time. But as you see as well, it has been increasing those dividends. 2016, 1.82, 2017, $2. The upcoming dividend will be $2.20. So continuing to increase its dividend over time. We take a look at its earnings. Very good earnings in this last quarter here. Q3 2018, well above its expected earnings per share. You see it has an upcoming report up on January 28th, pre-market, that will be coming out. Expect more of the same with Lockheed Martin. If we go to its statistics, you can see it's a very large company, 83.7 billion, PE ratio 26.964, dividend yield, last dividend payment 2.324. The upcoming dividend yield will be around 3%. Representing that dividend increase. If we take a look at its chart, 1 year performance, kind of an up and down pattern here, overall down 3.95%. Over the 5-year graph, however, you see it's up 147.61. So over the longer term here, it's been doing exceedingly well. The important dates for Lockheed Martin, if you are interested in dividend capture swing trade, next dividend date will be on the 30th of November. So again, you need to jump in before that date. If that date does fall on Monday, you'll have to jump into that stock on that Friday preceding the ex-dividend date, and then you can sell the stock off on the ex-dividend date or thereafter and still pick up the dividend. So the ex-dividend date is on the 30th of November. Payment date is the 28th of December. $2.20 dividend per share for a dividend yield just around 3%. And again, that dividend is a 10% increase from the prior year's dividend. So that is the first stock here. Again, a very good buy and hold stock. A very good stock for dividend growth over time. 16 straight years of dividend growth for this company. Dividend champion. The next stock is Mcd Mcdonald's. This is a consumer discretionary stock, a restaurant stock. As you see on the bottom here, everyone is probably well known with its underlying business. Very large company, as you can see here in the middle. 140.86 billion. If we take a look at its dividend, I've also had this stock in the portfolio for quite some time. You can see 2017, 1.01, 2016 on the bottom, 0.94, and the upcoming dividend will be $1.16, so an increase of about 15% from its prior dividend. So another very good dividend growth stock. You can see the performance with regards to earnings here, very, very good. Also has an upcoming earnings report on January 29th, pre-market. We take a look at its graph up on top. You can see very good performance over the past 1 year. A lot of that in the past 3 months here. 14.25%, 1 year 10.43%, and over the past 5 years of trading up 118.3%. Very, very good. You see its dividend yield on the bottom, 2.225 for its last dividend payment. The upcoming dividend payment will be around 2.6%, again, accounting for that dividend increase to $1.16 per share. If you are interested in dividend capture for this particular stock, the ex-dividend date will be on the 30th of November, payment date 7th of December, $1.16 per share for a dividend yield of 2.6%. Again, a 15% increase over its last quarter's dividend. And the last stock in the set here is Nke Nike. Again, most of you guys are probably familiar with this company. Athletic footwear, apparel, accessories, equipment, services. Operates in a lot of different market spaces on the bottom. Earnings, as you can see here, very, very good. It has upcoming earnings report on December 20th, so next month. Dividend yield, much lower than the other two companies, 1.086 on its last dividend payment. The upcoming dividend payment will be 1.2%. The dividend is increasing to 22 cents per share. If we take a look on the graph here, 1 year trading, as you can see, 22.6%, so phenomenal performance. Trading down here a bit with the scandal with Colin Kaepernick, definitely taking a toll a bit. Not quite sure that accounts for that entire decrease there, but at least part of that. Over the last 5 years of trading, it's up 91.09%, so very, very good. And again, a stock that has good long performance with regards to dividend increases, 16 straight years. Going back to McDonald's, I forgot to report that, 43 straight years of dividend increases. So McDonald's is a dividend aristocrat, 25 plus years, almost a dividend king, 50 plus years. Nike here, just like Lockheed Martin, LMT, 16 years of dividend increases. So if you guys are interested in dividend capture swing trade for this stock, ex-dividend date, like the other two stocks, will be the 30th of November. Payment date, the 2nd of January of next year, 22 cents per share for a dividend yield of just at 1.2%, a 10% increase from its last quarter's dividend. So 3 stocks here, all can be utilized in dividend capture swing trade, but also are very good long-term buy and hold stocks. These are all blue chip companies that have had very long track records of increasing dividends. Lockheed Martin and Nike, 16 straight years, and for McDonald's, 43 straight years of dividend increases. So again, just wanted to go over 3 stocks here. Again, a stock video suggested by a viewer on the channel wondering about dividend increases as well as dividend growth investing over the longer term. And I'll be focusing a little bit more on this type of investing. There are some great ETFs out there that are geared toward jumping into these stocks that have dividend increases over time. So let me know what you guys think about these 3 stocks. If there's any better stocks that have either better dividend increases or better longer term potential for dividend investing, dividend growth investing over time, please let me know. Kind of that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoyed the content on the channel, if you guys enjoyed the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If there's any content you want seen posted on the channel, please let me know. Again, always looking for new video ideas, new stocks to research. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.